Progressive balayage is about working with and enhancing the natural hair color, taking into account the undertone, complexion and eye color so that the face becomes the picture and the hair becomes the frame. This is a face framing technique, adding softness and brightness to the facial canvas. Balayage is a technique that can be used on all different hair lengths with various shades and results.
Conduct a creative consultation. Begin by taking a profile parting from the hairline to the crown. Next, create a triangular section from the high recession on both sides of the head to the top of the crown. Starting 2 inches back from the recession, take a diagonal back parting towards the ear to create a rectangular shape. Isolate with sectioning clips and repeat on the opposite side to create 3 sections. Put on protective gloves. Starting at the side section, take a diagonal parting and use a freehand blending technique to apply Formula 1 vertically towards the new growth area. Using the brush vertically will ensure a softer and natural blend when working towards the new growth. Isolate with mesh. At the next parting, apply Formula 2 working with the same technique. Continue working in the same way, alternating the formulas within the partings for colour variation. Once complete, repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Progress onto the front section and subdivide into 2, creating a triangle and rectangle shape. Within the triangle section, work parallel to the hairline and use a textured weave technique to apply Formula 1. Alternate the formulas within the mesh. Repeat the same technique within the rectangular shape. Process for up to 35 minutes. Rinse and remove with your chosen TIGI Copper Eye care regime.